Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to conduct a SWOT analysis using teamwork.com. First off, log into your Teamwork account and head over to the Projects tab. Here, you can create a new project called SWOT Analysis. The reason we do this is to keep all our SWOT-related tasks and findings organized in one place. Now that we've done that, your next step is to create 4 task lists within this project, one for each element of the SWOT analysis. That's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our findings clearly, making the analysis more effective. Next up, start populating each task list with relevant points. You can add as many tasks as you need. Invite your team members to contribute to this. The more perspectives you have, the more comprehensive your analysis will be. For each task, you can click on the task and add additional details in the description field. This is where you can provide context or elaborate on why this point is a strength, weakness, opportunity, or threat. Let me explain why this matters. The more detailed your analysis, the better you can strategize for your business's success. Now, once all tasks are filled in, it's time to review and analyze. Go through each task list systematically, evaluating every point. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're gaining a holistic view of your business's internal and external factors, which is crucial in strategic planning. Once you've completed your analysis, you can create a report within teamwork.com. This will summarize your SWOT findings and can be shared with your team or stakeholders. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone is on the same page and understands the strategic direction. And that's it. You've now successfully conducted a SWOT analysis using teamwork.com. Remember, a SWOT analysis is a powerful tool that can help steer your business towards success, so revisit this process regularly to stay on top of your game. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.